Going one step further with alignment of text in HTML using CSS, we have four different types of alignment, and what we will do is we will just notice how the alignment actually works. So starting with left alignment, we can see the text which is within this blue box is left aligned. So just to note it, we can see that T is touching the extreme left side of this block, of this blue block. So this means that this particular box or this particular text paragraph is left aligned. We can see that there is some gap between the extreme right side and the text, which means that it's not right aligned. And if we will see the code, we can see that text aligned is left. Now talking about the right aligned, we can see that there is some gap on the extreme left side, while there is no gap between the border of extreme right side and the text, which means that this text is right aligned, and we can verify it from the code that it's right aligned. Now talking about the third one, which is in orange color, we can see that there is no gap between the border and the text on either sides, which means that this text is justified. And to verify it, we can see the code that the third block is justified. Now talking about the fourth one, we can see that there is some gap on the left side, there is some gap on the right side, so which means that this particular block or this particular block of text is center aligned, because there is some gap on the extreme sides, and we can verify it from the source code that it's center aligned. So this is how we actually align text in HTML using CSS. So if you are stuck with something, just remember that you have to use style, and in the style you have to use the property text hyphen aligned colon and then the value. Either it can be left, right, justify, or center, or even inherit. I hope this will help you in understanding alignment of text in HTML even more. Thank you for watching the tutorial.